One day, a fisherman caught a very beautiful fish in his net. As he wanted to take it out, the fish said to him,
"O fisherman, I am a poor fish. What would you gain by catching me? It would be nice if you made a friendship with me."
The fisherman was impressed with this talking fish. They were friends now, and talked to each other daily for hours. One evening, the fisherman's wife asked him why he came late daily. He told her about the wonderful fish. At this, she said to him,
"You are a great fool. It is not an ordinary fish. It must be some fairy in the form of a fish. Go and ask it to make a palace for us, in place of this old and small hut of ours."
The fisherman reached the river and said to the fish,
"My wife and I live in a small hut. Can't you make a big palace for us?"
The fish said,
"Don't worry, my friend. Go home and get a palace for yourselves."
But his wife was not content with this. She again said to her husband,
"There is not much to eat in this palace. Why don't you request the fish to give us plenty of food?"
The fisherman went back to the fish again, and she fulfilled this wish too. There were all kinds of tasty foods in the palace. But still, the wife was ready with one more wish. She said to him,
"Everything is all right here, but I must be a queen in this palace. There are no servants to serve us. Go again and ask the fish to fulfill this wish too."
The poor fisherman rushed back to the fish and told her what his wife wanted now. Readily, the fish fulfilled yet another wish. When he went back to the palace, he saw that now his wife is a queen in the palace. There were many servants all around to take orders. All this made her mad with wishes. She said to her husband,
"I wish the sun, the moon, and the stars obeyed me. Can't the fish fulfill this wish of mine, too?"
The stupid fisherman put this wish in front of the fish. Hearing this, the fish got angry and said to him,
"O foolish man, your wife is greedy. And crazy too. Now go and live in your old hut."
Sadly, the fisherman came home and found his wife crying badly in her old, small hut. Her endless wishes had put an end to their happiness. The fisherman looked at his wife with sadness in his eyes and said,
"My dear, your endless wishes turned our joy into sorrow. The fish was a true friend, but your greed made everything vanish. Now, we have got nothing left. Not a bite of good food. No fancy clothes, no servants. Not even that grand palace."
Moral: greediness and endless wishes can lead to the loss of what we already have. Contentment brings true happiness. It's important to be happy with what we have and not always want more.